welcome to Hard Nock Garage. I'm Peter Nock, and that's where you get the knock in Hard Nock Garage, School of Hard Knocks. That's where I came up with the name. So who am I and why should you be watching? Well, I'm a guy that builds diecast custom models way down in New Zealand, almost bottom of the world. I've been doing it for about 20 years. And I've had various videos and bits and pieces. I'm quite well known on kind of Facebook and some of the channels on there, but I really wanted to put a bit of time and effort into a channel to share what I do, particularly around the tips and tricks, and just, you know, encourage people to get into this side of things. I specialise in 118. I've done a little bit of other stuff, but that's particularly where I'm at. So I'm not going to be doing other scales, but I do use a lot of techniques that other scale modelers use, and if I find various bits and pieces, I'll share that with you too. Now, I'd thought about doing a really, you know, getting everything tidied up and having it looking pretty flash, but I'm quite a messy kind of builder. And that's where I get a lot of my creativity from, in the mess. So I'll do a bit of a shop tour. I'm in the process of selling my house, so I'll be moving to a new property at some stage, and obviously able to set up a new garage. So I'm not going to do a full shop tour, but just to show you a little bit about what I mean, particularly with the messy part. I just have to turn my camera around. So you can see here, this is my main workbench. I have quite a few bits and pieces on. It is a little bit messy at the moment, so we'll need to tidy up. This is going to be my first Hard Nock Garage build. So it's a Oldsmobile Super 88. I built a replica of the Sweaty Speed Shop Pontiac car on a truck chassis. Really love that build, really enjoyed it, so I'm doing a Hard Nock version. This one's actually sitting on a Hummer H2 chassis, so that'll be looked at shortly. So there we go. Very quick introduction. I'm aiming to do at least a video a week, maybe a bit more, but just try and keep it, you know, regular updates. If you want to know, if you want me to show you something, if there's something you've seen in mine and you, hey, how do I do that, or can you tell me more about that, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, put some comments in. Let me know if there's something in particular you want to look at. I don't have every model that's ever been built or on display, you know, or produced by manufacturers, but I do have a lot. I will be showing some videos of how to take models apart and some different techniques with that. But you know, if you got any questions, let me know. If I don't know the answer, I can probably find someone who will have the answer. So there we go. Hard Nock Garage. I hope one day to have the t-shirt to match. Yeah. Alright. Cheers everyone.